So I'm currently testing out the iOS 26 on this is the developer beta version, and so all the whole glass whatever, there you go, transparent icons. I'm using the clear version. See, yeah, so there are quite some, it's not as responsive as I would naturally expect it to be. Okay, so if you scroll down on your control center, this is what it looks like now. Transparent, glassy, so it picks on the picture, the color of anything under it. In this case, it's picking up that red. If you go further, this is the control, the music player. See, transparent. This is the rest of the control center. Let's play a song. Okay, so YouTube is still normal. Okay, so you see the glass, you see how that is moving across different parts of the frame. Yep, that is giving that water glassy feeling. Liquid glass for a reason. Yep. So see that, or you see this. Now that there's a music, let me go to music. So you see there's that glassy feel, but the music art is still the same, at least with this one, and then all that glass stuff there. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is this something you're using, or is it something that is too much for you? Let's actually change one more thing. Let's change the color of the wallpaper, and so change color of the icons. You come to edit, customize. So let's change it to, let's say, default. Okay, so in the default system, there's still glass, but then the glass is kinda default. Let's now scroll down. Yeah, there's still glass. Yeah, and there's still a lot of colors if you want. I think that many people might prefer that. Let's see again. Let me pick a certain color. Let's pick tinted. Let's pick this brown. Yeah, so done. So that's what's my new, see, glass is still there, but looks slightly different. Let me do one last one. Sorry guys, let me do blue, because I think I kind of liked the blue. So tinted, let's go to blue. I don't know if that's the right blue shade. Actually, let me pick. So this is what green looks like. Still not as responsive as it should be, or as I would expect it to be. So that's green, but I still want to try the blue. So here goes blue. So this is blue for my wristwatch. How does it feel? Do you like it? I don't know. Feels a certain way. May not be the best, but that's it. I think for now I'll just go with the absolute color, the colorful one. If you want to try this on your iPhone, you simply just need to go to the developer update your phone for developer beta option. Let me know what you think. Is this something that you'll be trying out, or you wait for it to fully come out on the next iPhone?